Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winner to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide pageant. And these young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. J.R. Timlor, representing Biga Lobo, is a vibrant and talented individual with a strong sense of community, with a background in performing arts, and he uses his creativity to engage and inspire others, particularly in cultural preservation, and JR is passionate about showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Batangas and aims to promote local arts and traditions. And he believes in the power of storytelling and uses it to raise awareness about social issues. And his artistic flair, combined with his dedication to his advocacy, makes him a unique and impactful candidate who hopes to leave a lasting impression. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!